Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to enable phone calls on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, very simple. First click on start. After click on setting. After click on privacy and left panel scroll down and this option phone calls. So click on phone calls. That is. And this option phone call access for this device in on. If you enable, so click on change. This is on position. If you on, so toggle on. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Firstly click on start, after click on privacy, and after left panel click on phone calls. After click on change and toggle on position. So this is very simple and easy and quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more updates.